Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on irrational numbers worksheet. So this video presents a basic worksheet on the idea of the irrational number. If you don't know anything about irrational numbers, on the next slide there is a link, and if you click on the link it will take you to the lesson and it will explain the idea behind the irrational number. So let's have a look at what this worksheet involves. Number 1. In simple terms, what is the definition of an irrational number? Number 2. Is it possible to write an irrational number in the form of a terminating decimal? Number 3. Is it possible to write an irrational number in the form of a recurring decimal? Now, for the next section, we are asked to write true or false for each of the following 7 statements. Number 1. The square root of 3 is an irrational number. Is that true or false? And that's the same for all of these up to number 7. The second one. The square root of 6 is an irrational number. Number 3. The square root of 8 is an irrational number. Number 4. 2 the square root of 13 is an irrational number. Number 5. The square root of 4 is an irrational number. Number 6. 3/4 or 3/4 is an irrational number. And number 7. Pi is an irrational number. Now here we have a question, and we're asked to answer this question. In real life, what important calculations can we make using approximate values for pi? So all this information here is contained in the lesson. So this video has just given us a very basic worksheet where we can answer some questions relating to the irrational number. So if you don't have much knowledge about the irrational number, on the next slide just click on the provided link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples.